Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the S9 mini smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to try and have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So we have here the Bluetooth music control function. So we will try this one and we'll check if it works with our Android smartphone. So we have here at least 4 applications. We have a built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and a YouTube Music. So we'll try these 4 and see if it works with a S9 mini smartwatch. So if you are interested to see if it works with the smartwatch, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open first the application. So we have here the app. It is using the M2 Wear app. So let's check if there's an option for the music control function. We have phone book here. We have remote camera, but we don't have the music control function here. It says, okay, when we check the music control function here, the Bluetooth music control, as you can see, please check the Bluetooth connection. Okay, so we'll go to the Bluetooth section, settings, then go to the Bluetooth, tap on the Bluetooth here, then S9 mini. So we will activate these two, then go back, then let's see. Okay, let's go back again. Are we connected? Okay, so we are connected again. Okay, so it works. Okay, we are connected. Let's see here on the settings of the smartwatch. Press and let's go to the settings. Time settings, general. We have here the Bluetooth. Let's activate this. Then go back again to the Bluetooth section, and as you can see, we have it here. Okay, so there's a volume adjustment, and seems like it has support for the title. So let's check. Let's start. Let's open Samsung Music here, our built-in music player, and we will try to play the music. Okay, so we have here the title, so it works so far. You have an option to adjust the volume. Does it work? Yes, it works. Next song. So hey, next, stop, next song, go back, play. Okay, as you can see here, we have at least 4 audio here, and it works with our built-in music player for our S9 mini smartwatch. Okay, the good thing is we do have here the title of the song. Okay, and we have the play, pause, go forward, backward, and the volume adjustment of the audio. Okay, back again, stop. Okay, so that's it for our built-in music player, and it works with our Samsung Music here. Next, let's try this popular application, the Spotify. Open Spotify app. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see here, we do have S9 mini. Then check. So let's adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. As you can see here, it is using the speaker of the smartwatch. Does it work? Let's see. Play. Okay, lock out of heaven. Stop. Okay, next. Next. Does it work? Stop. Okay, so this is an ad. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, photograph. One last time. Talking to the moon. Stop. Play. Next. Counting stars. Stop. Okay, so it works with our Spotify app. Okay, very stable so far. The connection is okay, and as you can see, the response time is very okay also. Okay, it is smooth when controlling the music on your phone. Okay, next, let's have the YouTube application. So let's try this one, the golden age of civilization. So I guess we can increase the volume here. Next. Next. Oh, it's an ad. Skip. Stop. Next.
In the early 15th century BC, ancient Egypt.
Go back. Go back. And stop. Just the volume. And stop. Okay, so it works so far with our YouTube application. Okay, so that's very good so far. Okay, no issues at all, as you can see here. Then next, let's try the YouTube Music application. So we have here, relax. Let's look for other songs here. Okay, APT. Okay, as you can see here, changes, play or stop. Then next song, Die With A Smile. Next. Next. Next song, stop. Go back. Go back. Play. Stop. Play. Yes, it works with the Spotify application also. That is very good for our S9 mini smartwatch. Although it is a small smartwatch, but it is very good. It has power that can compete with other Apple Watch clone smartwatches. Okay, stop. So that's it for our S9 mini smartwatch, the Bluetooth control or Bluetooth music control function. Again, if you like the demo here and you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.